are alkanes obtained from? So, from where are alkanes obtained and how are alkanes extracted? The single most important source of the alkanes is the fossil fuels. So, the most important source of the alkanes is the fossil fuels. How did fossil fuel form? Far greater proportion of the earth was covered with water. Long time ago, most of the surface of earth was covered with water. Animals and plants lived in these seas and water covering earth's surface. They died and sank to the bottom. They were exposed to immense temperature and pressure, so they were exposed to very high temperatures and pressures, and then they decayed and decomposed to form crude oil, which is petroleum. So, petroleum or crude oil, which is the same as fossil fuel, is formed after the decomposition of animals and plants in the sea under high temperatures and pressures.